Welcome. Next to me I've got MGS5. In this video I'll show you tutorial of basic maintenance of this car. Follow me. Firstly, take a look right here. Behind driver's doors we can find sticker with recommended tire pressure. Thanks to this sticker we can also learn the tire sizes that will fit this car. Next, once we are here, let's open the bonnet and lift it up. Under the bonnet we can find fuse box, battery, brakes fluid reservoir, coolant and washer fluid reservoir. Right here we can find the sticker with AC refrigerant type and amount. If you need to replace the headlamps, you can do it by opening this part or twisting this knob. Same for the second headlamp. In case you need to adjust the headlamp position, right here we've got the special white part where we insert the screwdriver and screw it in or out. Next, I will show you VIN number locations. Firstly, VIN is located on the bottom of the front windshield. Second VIN number is located behind passenger's doors, and third is located under passenger's seat. Next, take a look at the trunk of the car. Inside the trunk we can find toolset location under the trunk floor, and that's basically it. Remember to always follow the service and maintain your car properly. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.